In front of me is VIVO Y20s, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So first of all, you need to open Messages, click on Start Chat, and as you can see, currently we are set up with English. If you would like to change it, if you would like to change keyboard dictionary, just tap on the word icon, select Settings, go to the settings here, and pick Languages. Here you've got all languages that you can apply, so let me pick, for example, this one. And let's go back. And here it is. As you can see now, you can smoothly write in this language. And if you would like to switch it off, just click on the word icon again, select the settings, go to the settings one more time, pick languages, turn it off, and pick another language, or just click on use system language only. And this is it. That would be all. As you can see now, you are back in English. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.